In this video, what I'm going to be showing you is what you've never heard from anybody. So if you are into YouTube automation, you will know that one of the major problems that is happening currently is lack of originality, or let me say inauthentic content. So it has been in existence for years, and I think I've made a video about it. You can see it somewhere around the screen here, so you can just take your time to watch it. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sound more like yourself, irrespective of you copying anybody. Hi guys, my name is David Kehinde Omowai, and in case you are seeing my face for the first time, well, you're welcome to my channel, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because there are a lot of value and first-hand information that you've never heard anywhere. I've been into YouTube automation for about 3 years now. This is why I decided to share some knowledge on this channel so as to help people that are just coming into the game and people that actually want to get monetized faster. I personally focus on how you can get monetized faster and stay monetized, which is probably the end goal for every automation or faceless YouTube content creator. So enough of the big talk. Let's go back to this video. You'll notice that most time, whenever you are trying to copy anybody, like, which is the general way everybody is doing now, whenever you are trying to copy a style of someone or a particular channel, that channel has his or her own, the owner of the channel has his or her own language. And if you copy that language to ChatGPT, ChatGPT is only going to change the sentence phrasing, probably elongate, depending on your prompt, it also elongates that particular script for you. At the end of the day, you will end up getting the same tone, the same mood, and the same style from that particular content. And at the end of the day, you may end up sounding more like the original owner of a script. So how do you sound more of yourself? The first thing you want to do is record yourself with your phone, either through voice recording or through video. Talk about story of your life. You can talk about some of the past pains you've experienced. You can talk about your educational background, some of the things you see you went through in school, some of the things you went through in business, some of the things that a guy has done to you, some of the things that a lady has done to you. Just make sure you have at least a recorded version of video that is long, at least 1 hour. So in that way, if you are going to be copying the script, ChatGPT is going to easily access that type of information. So let me show you what I'm trying to explain here. So say, for example, I've been posting on YouTube for quite some days now, since last year, October. So I have some videos here, and this is one of my class, and I'm going to be using this as an example because I spoke a lot in this particular video. So this is the video here. If you have uploaded on YouTube or any social media, extract your script. So this is the video, and just come to show transcript, and it's going to show you transcript on YouTube. Then the next thing is you copy transcript. You now copy that down to your ChatGPT. You give this prompt to ChatGPT saying that study this script and wait on my command. Then you paste that particular prompt here, that particular script rather. So you wait for the response. Definitely it's going to tell you that is waiting for your next command, and you see I'm ready, I'm waiting for your command. So you can also come back here. Maybe you have two content, or you have a lot of content. You can also come to another content to copy the script. So you copy the script. You also tell same, also study this. Then you send that and you wait for the response. So it has given you the response. So you ask, what do you notice about this script? And then you send. So you wait for that to also load up. So it's going to give you everything he noticed about the script. You can also ask it that, what is the tone for this script? So you see, this is basically how I talk. Basically. So if you ask for the tone, it's going to give me the tone. Speak like a coach, correcting mistake in real life time. You are filming, you are firm, not soft. You challenge wrong behavior and without sugarcoating. You see? So this is how I sound, more authoritative. This is how I sound. Same also if you are telling story. This is also how you can actually apply this to whatever you want to do, irrespective of any niche. You compose your word, or if you have a very good composition of word during your live recorded video or voice recorded video, it's actually going to help you in creating your own story very well. Then I'll now say save this tone as David, that is my name, David K style, and always give me this style on every script I asked you to generate. So you are going to see that. Then it's going to save it. So either storytelling or motivational speech or anything. So I understand. So you see, direct, firm, mentor-driven, corrective, no nonsense, practical, urgency focus. This now is very good for you if you are into motivational niche. So you can use this if you are a tutor or if you are a teacher and you are creating automation content. You can use this type of thing to create content for your channel. But if you are into storytelling, the storytelling part is now going to be where I said you sit down, talk about some of the things you've gone through, some of your past mistakes, some of your regrets, some of life lessons, basically. So you pick it up like that and explain in that video. Then you give it to ChatGPT, extract the concept and give it to ChatGPT, and it's going to write you everything how you sound, and it's going to list out all of these things for you. Then the next thing you want to do is you can go to any video and just copy the transcript. Then I'll come back to my ChatGPT and give it like rewrite this script in David, that is my name, K style. So you paste the script and then you send it out. So it's going to give you how I talk, which is all of this: direct, firm, mentor driven, corrective, no nonsense, practical, urgency focused, authority based, honest, and result oriented. So it's going to give you, you see, it's totally different from. So whenever you are generating your scripts now, you will now add this, that it should rewrite this script in David K style or in your style that you actually save tone or your style at, and then it's going to give you. You see how it sounds? This is everything, which is totally different from this alone, is different from this. But generally before now, you just copy this one or you copy someone's script and then you tell ChatGPT to write the story for you. And at the end of the day, it's still going to be sounding more like that person. And in that way, you can be flagged for inauthentic content. And another thing is you can also look for story. So let's say this is another video. So you copy this script, then you come to your ChatGPT and say rewrite this script in David K style. Then you input that and boom, ChatGPT is also going to generate the script for you, the final answer. You see this? Let us get one thing clear from the start. So if you also come back here, you see that it has changed the script totally, entirely. Boy, this script is done. Hey, blah blah. What would the women really want? Because if man knew what they want, that blah 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 blah. You see? And if you come to my own script, let us get one thing clear from the start. Women do not respond to what you think they want. You see that? And there is a way you can also elongate this particular script to write even more than this extent. And these are some of the things I teach in my community. So if you have watched till this extent, it simply means you want to start getting automation or faceless content serious. And I'm using this opportunity to invite you to my community where we share information about automation, what is trending currently, and how you can do it. So, in case you have not subscribed, this may be the last time you are going to see my face. And so if you have subscribed, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.